Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Hassan and how are you? And welcome to our channel Problem Solver Team. So, we are discuss today MOSFET. MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So, what is a MOSFET? MOSFET is a switching device and MOSFET are generally of two types, depletion type and enhancement type. And depletion type is again two types, P-channel MOSFET and N-channel MOSFET. And enhancement type is again two types, P-channel MOSFET and N-channel MOSFET. And we are discussed today enhancement type N-channel MOSFET. And this MOSFET model number is P55NF06. And this MOSFET is three terminal. The first terminal is gate and the second terminal is drain and the third terminal is source. And this is a N-channel MOSFET symbol and this is a P-channel MOSFET symbol. So, how do we know which is N-channel and which is P-channel? By looking at MOSFET symbol. And for the N-channel MOSFET, arrow will be inside and the P-channel MOSFET arrow will be outside. And the condition of MOSFET is that it will have reverse bias. So, what is a reverse bias? Reverse bias discussed in my previous video. So, we will not discuss this further in this video. So, this is a circuit diagram and this is P55NF06 MOSFET circuit diagram. So, look at this and we will do now it manually. So, it will need to be create a MOSFET, a LED, a push button, 3 resistor and some jumper wire. So look at this. This is a breadboard and the first time the MOSFET is included in the breadboard and again the push button is included to the breadboard. And use a jumper wire to connect the voltage regulator IC output terminal to push button port and use a 1 kilo ohm resistor to connect the push button another terminal to MOSFET gate. And we all know this MOSFET and these three terminal. And the first terminal is gate and second terminal is drain and third terminal is source. And use another jumper wire to connect the MOSFET drain to voltage regulator IC output terminal. And use a 10 kilo ohm resistor because 10 kilo ohm resistor from the drain to connected 0 volt for leakage current. So connect this. And the LED is connect the breadboard port and use another 1 kilo ohm resistor to connect the LED negative terminal to breadboard negative supply and use a jumper wire to connect the MOSFET source terminal to LED positive terminal. So look, our project is ready now. So the LED is blinking now. So look, the LED is blinking now. So our project is connected. Thank you.